This is just a quick little video to show you my May customer appreciation gift. If you order with me, place an order of $100 or more with me, you will get the PDF tutorials for this gift plus a link to 2 videos. So I just wanted to show you what you're going to get. You're going to get this ribbon tied card box. And I have used the Delicate Dreams Designer Series paper on mine. And this is the PDF tutorial that you'd get with it, with all the instructions and dimensions, cutting instructions, everything. But as well, you'll get the link to the video. So that's the box. And inside the box, we've got 4 cards that I've made using a 6x6 one sheet wonder. What do you call it? Template. That's the word I'm looking for. So this is the 6x6 one sheet wonder, and I go through, and that's another PDF tutorial. I go through and I show you how to cut your 6x6 page up and give you all the dimensions, and then show you how to construct the 4 cards that go inside the box. So these are the 4 cards, and again I've used the Delicate Dreams Designer Series paper, and I've also trimmed up the envelopes with some of the Designer Series paper. So that's 1 card. Let me move the box out of the way. That's another card. So it's got the hydrangea hue ribbon and colours in this paper, so it's a new in colour. So they're the 4 cards that you would make. You need to have either, if you want it to look exactly like this, you need the Delicate Dreams Designer Series paper, the hydrangea hue ribbon, the Secret Sea ribbon, and the in colour dots. But you could make these cards and this gift box with any paper that you have in your craft collection. So if you've got some beautiful papers that you love to use, you could certainly make this gift. So that's if you place $100 or more order with me. So that's after reward points and after shipping. That's what you'll receive. You'll also receive my Make and Create card pack that I do once a month at the end of the month. Let me just tie this up. Now, if you can't order with me, if you don't live in Australia and you can't order with me, then I'm going to be selling this tutorial for 25 Australian dollars. So if you're overseas and would like this tutorial, just let me know. So that is my May customer appreciation gift. So let me know if you're interested in it, or if you'd like to place an order with me. This is for May, so there will be a new customer appreciation gift for the month of June. Thank you for watching.